When you search for music boxing machines, everything looks pretty similar. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find the one that truly delivers an engaging experience, you've got to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, TGLLM Music Boxing Machine. The TGLLM Music Boxing Machine caught my eye immediately with its sleek black design and large size, priced at $69.99. If you want a boxing machine that offers various modes and speeds for a fun workout, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 9 different modes and speeds, perfect for everyone from kids to adults. The LED display tracks your hits, so you can see your progress in real time, which is great for motivation. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can pump up your favorite tunes while you train. And let's talk about the material. It's made of high elastic foam, so it absorbs shock and protects your hands. Over 1,000 units were bought in the last month, indicating it's catching on fast. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Honestly, while it does require wall mounting, the included double-sided tape makes it a breeze. If you're not up for wall mounting, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an interactive boxing experience, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just wanting to have some fun at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable or without wall installation. It offers good value for money with all the features included.
Product number 2, LOL Boxing Machine. The LOL Music Boxing Machine, also priced at $59.99. What drew me in was its promise of superior sound quality and multiple speed options. If you're looking for a boxing machine that combines fun with fitness, this deserves your attention. This machine features 3 resistance levels and a built-in counter to track your hits, which is super encouraging when you're working out. It connects via Bluetooth to your device, so you can blast your favorite tracks while you punch away. The setup is user-friendly with Velcro straps. It's designed to save you time and space, making it perfect for home or office use. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people are enjoying their workouts with this machine. However, some users mention the sound quality could be improved. Here's the thing though. While it's not studio-level audio, it's certainly good enough to keep you motivated during your workout. This is ideal for both kids and adults if you want a machine that's easy to set up and use. Skip it if you're a hardcore boxing trainer looking for something more advanced. It's a solid choice for casual users.
Product number 3, TGLLM Smart Boxing Machine. The next machine is another TGLLM product, the Smart Boxing Machine, also priced at $69.99. I was impressed by the colorful design and its versatility. If you want a boxing machine that caters to all ages, this is worth considering. This model boasts 9 modes and 9 speeds, making it suitable for everyone, from beginners to pros. It also features a Bluetooth connection and an LED display to show your stats as you train, which is crucial for tracking your improvement. The use of advanced pressure sensors and EVA cushioning means it's built to last and protect your hands. With over 800 sales recently, it's becoming a popular option. That said, I found some complaints about the setup process being a bit confusing for some users. But honestly, once you get through the initial installation, it's smooth sailing and well worth the effort. This is perfect for families who want a fun way to stay active together. Skip this if you need something that doesn't require wall mounting. It's a great option for fitness enthusiasts and families alike.
Product number 4, SJJX Music Punching Machine. Let's talk about the SJJX Music Punching Machine for $39.99. This one immediately caught my attention because of its unique features, like a battle mode. If you want to spice up your workouts with some friendly competition, this is worth a look. This machine includes 3 modes: boxing, rhythm, and battle, making it very engaging. The Bluetooth feature allows you to sync your music, and the LED lights create an exciting atmosphere. It's suitable for both kids and adults, which is perfect for family workouts. Plus, with 600 units sold recently, it's definitely gaining traction. However, users have mentioned that it might not be as durable as higher-priced options. Here's the thing. While it may not be as rugged, it's a fun and interactive way to get some exercise, especially for kids. This is ideal for families looking for a fun fitness solution. Skip it if you need something more heavy-duty for intense training. It's a budget-friendly option that delivers a lot of fun.
Product number 5, LOL Box Upgraded Version. We have the LOL Box Upgraded Version, priced at $69.99. What stood out to me was its intelligent music optimization. If you want a machine that combines music with boxing for an engaging experience, This one's for you. This model features 9 speed modes and Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite songs. The smart counting function keeps track of your punches, which is motivating as you see your progress. Setting it up is a breeze with adjustable Velcro straps for easy height adjustments. With about 300 recent sales, it's clear many people are enjoying this upgrade. Some users have reported that it can be a little bulky for smaller spaces, but honestly, if you have a dedicated workout area, it's a fantastic addition. This is perfect for anyone who wants a stylish boxing machine that doubles as a music player. Skip it if you're in a cramped space or need a lightweight option. It's a solid investment for fun workouts at home.
So there you have it. From the TG-LLM music boxing machine with its impressive modes to the LOL Box's smart features, each one brings something unique to the table. Whether you're a casual user, a family looking to have fun, or someone serious about boxing, there's an option here for you. Choose wisely and happy punching.